Hello everyone. In this section we are going to introduce a plugin in RStudio called Color Picker. This tool, on certain occasions when we are drawing, for instance, we make use of ggplot to generate a visual representation. Then the color of the points inside is mapped according to the type of engine that is being utilized. So what about the color of this engine? It is automatically allocated within its system in these three colors. What should we do if we want to change its color? In order to change its color, we need to utilize a technique known as color. We do it manually, which means we don't use its default color, and then we assign the color information to it. So typically we are just the ones you might recall yourself, like those common colors, for example, this blue, these common ones that are easily remembered. But sometimes if you want to use a color that is a bit special, do you have to go everywhere to find the code of that color, the name of the color, or the hexadecimal code of the color? All right, our color picker can assist us in swiftly locating the color we desire to use. Once we have installed and loaded this package, there will be a color picker available under the add-ins section. Simply click on it. It's right under this dialog box. You see, first you can set how many you want to choose. For example, now we have 3 because this DRV has 3 types. Let's do it this way. You can choose the color that can be pronounced at this point in time. For instance, if you desire to locate a hue of red, you have the option to make gradual modifications until you are content. For example, we want to find this kind of red. Okay, then let's set the second color. What about the second color? We want to use this one from the purple series, use this one, this one. Okay, what about the third one? Are you here to find it too? This place is convenient compared to searching on the website. It's more intuitive. For example, we use this one, this one. Okay, after we finish searching, we click the down button to confirm our selection. Upon selecting this, after it is downloaded, it actually copies the code of these several colors and pastes it into your code file, ensuring seamless integration. Now I am going to copy it. I am going to copy it. I am going to replace the one I just wrote myself. Replace. Subsequently run the program again, and you will observe a change in its color. Therefore, it is highly convenient. This feature is essentially like a color picker, which is a tool designed for selecting colors. Okay, let's analyze this code section next. This section, we MPG pipe in, draw it now. The x-axis is displacement, the y-axis is HWY, and what about the color? Use FLR to map. This FLR is in relation to a specific type of fuel that is utilized in this particular car. So now is its fuel divided into 5 different colors. If we do not want to use this color and want to define it ourselves, then we come to that color pick tool ourselves. Now you have the option to add here. We need to choose a total of 5 colors, so you can come and find them right here. So it is similar to the method that was just mentioned, which is red, and then you need to look for the second one. Therefore, you have the option to choose whichever one you prefer to use. You have the option to swiftly select from this color palette. For example, if you are looking for a large variety of blue shades, do you prefer it to be lighter or darker in tone? So this is incredibly convenient. It is actually a tool that I can utilize to quickly and effortlessly pick colors for my design projects. Then the fifth category continues. Let's keep going, for instance, if you desire it to be more profound. So there are a lot of things here, and it also has a tool. If you don't want it, you want it to display the name of the color instead of this binary hexadecimal, then you check this box. At this moment, we click the down button. You will see that it has just been inserted into this specific location, inserted into the exact position where your cursor is blinking, so we proceed to move this block downwards and write it in this designated area. In reality, at this particular point in time, we actually need to add an additional sentence, incorporate a code to manually set the color of the skill color menu, include it, and then what about the value of the color? Actually, you should write it in this location and then simply copy this thing and paste it up above. Drag it onto this location. Is that acceptable or okay? So this is an incredibly convenient tool for picking colors. Everyone can easily set it according to their own preferences. This is very fast, right? Okay, so we will end this section here, wrapping up our discussion on this highly useful color selection tool.